Hello and good morning all students. This is Manish Kumar Gupta, your maths teacher. Today in this video we are going to discuss chapter number 6 integers. Continue the question number 2. Represent the following numbers as integers with appropriate sign. So basically we have addition symbol and subtraction symbol. To represent the integers we have to use this. And now coming to the question, then I will explain you what to do here. A deposit of rupees 500. In this question number 2, represent the following numbers as integers with appropriate sign. Means whatever we have given the words, we have to convert into numbers numerical form and with appropriate sign. This means we have to use addition or subtraction symbol. In the integers we have to learn, just wait because video is not going to be clear. Now it is clear. In the integers we use plus symbol when our numbers are positive, and when the numbers are below 0, as I have told you on the number line, so we use negative symbol for representing the integers. Now I hope you have understood when we have to use positive sign and when we have to use negative sign. Coming to the question number 1, I will read. A deposit of rupees 500. We have to represent the number with appropriate sign. How? Rupees 500. Rupees 500, and here also you have to read a deposit of. Suppose that any person is going to the bank and he will have an account in the bank. If he wants to pay the bank or he wanted to deposit this money in the bank, so this will be for him a positive or negative. So you have to understood that suppose that your father went to the bank and they have deposited the money rupees 500, so this will be a positive number or negative number for him. So after thinking you that this is your money, so you will have to use it with positive sign. How much amount? Rupees 500. So first of all we will write rupees 500, and we have to use symbol since this money is in the positive form, so we will write positive sign. Okay, I hope you have understood. Same type question again in the question number 2. Withdrawal of rupees 600. First you have to understand the meaning of withdrawal. When you take out the money from the bank, when you take out the money from the bank from your own account, this is called withdrawal. Suppose that your father went to the bank and from his account he take out some of the money. The money is now rupees 600. So how the bank manager will represent this number? So when you taken the money, this become negative sign. So amount is rupees 600. Now see properly, rupees 600. So we will write 600 since we have to withdraw. Withdrawal means taking out. So this number become negative. So we use negative integers. Now again I will go up. When you deposit the money, this is called positive integers. When you take out the money, this withdrawal called negative integers. Understood? Now reading the question number 3. 3 degrees Celsius below freezing point. 3 degrees Celsius below freezing point. I will have an example here. Suppose that this is a line. I represent this number as 0 when we writing number here, this is increasing order, and from here this become negative numbers. So as you know, the freezing point of ice is 0 degree Celsius. So if any temperature is there, and we have to represent this number in negative symbol, because it is goes beyond the 0. We are going or moving from 0. So 3 degrees Celsius below freezing point means first we will write number 3 and we have to use negative sign. This give us the answer of this question. Now moving to the question number 4. An aeroplane is flying at a height 1500 meters above the sea level. Again I will show you some example. Suppose that this is your sea level. Okay, this is your sea level, and inside it there is water, as you know, है ना. Upside planes are flying above the ground. So reading the question again, an aeroplane is flying at a height of 1500 meters. What is the number? 1500 meters. Okay, and this is above the ground, so our number is positive, so we have to use a positive symbol. I hope student this is clear for you. Thank you and have a nice day.